So, hi dear Aries, it's a you versus them energy check-in for all the Aries, Sun, Moon, Venus rising. It's current energy check-in. I'm just checking like your energies and the energy connected to you and where this connection is heading right now at this present moment. It's timeless, so whenever you're going to watch this video, it's going to be valid for you guys. Okay. If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that, I'm doing it from a very, very long time now. Okay. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. And about the captions, I didn't change any settings or anything. I don't know why it is happening. I'm trying my best to resolve it. I will try my best to resolve it as soon as possible. Let's see on your side what we have, Aries. On your side, we have the Two of Swords, the Two of Wands, and the Five of Cups. Bottom of the deck is the Death card. It's like either you are confused between two people, two situations, or two energies at the same time, or you're not able to understand what you should do in order to get out of this pain that you're experiencing right now because of our situation that ended. The breakup or separation is going on, or no contact is going on, or something in this situation is drastically different now. It's not the same as it used to be, and it is never going to be the same as it used to be. So you are in this energy of not being able to understand how to resolve this issue, how to resolve this situation, how to get out of this, not being able to see the clear picture of the situation kind of a deal. Now again, for some of you, you are leaving a situation behind you, and you are moving ahead towards something new or someone new, but at the same time you're not able to let go of the past situation that you're leaving behind, and you're quite in pain. There's so much pain connected with the this situation right now at this present moment, in this situation between you and this specific energy. Take it how it resonates with you. Either you are in this situation of letting go of something and connecting with somebody else, and not able to let go of the other person here, or somebody else is choosing someone else over you, and you're waiting for them to come back, or you're waiting for some kind of answers, or you're waiting for some kind of clarity, but you're not able to get it, and it's making you quite sad, quite depressed. Let's see the energy attached to you, what they are up to. The roles can be reversed anytime. Please keep that in mind because this is energy check-in. Let's see the energy attached to you, what they are up to. We have the Emperor, the Two of Cups, the King of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck is the Lovers. Yes, there's definitely a choice between two lovers, two people, two situation, two things. This person is trying their best to do the best for everybody involved in the situation. This person have made up their mind, and according to them, they are going to choose the right person. They are going to choose stability over love, long-term partnership over love, commitment over love, something that is going to give them the long-term kind of energy, the long-term kind of feeling like, yeah, this person or this energy is going to stick around with me, and they're mature enough and grounded enough to be with me for the rest of my life. If not for the rest of my life, at least for like a longer period of time. So somebody is choosing love, choosing stability, long-term partnership, and commitment kind of energy over love or emotions right now at this present moment. Although they haven't been like they are not 100% sure or 1000% sure about their decision, but at the same time, this person is kind of in this energy of, okay, I know what I want. I know a long-term partnership. I know a committed kind of relationship. I know someone who is going to stick around by my side no matter what. So I think this is somebody who is choosing stability, long-term partnership, and mature and grounded kind of energy over love, over emotions, taking a very practical decision. The energy attached to you, they are taking a very practical decision. Although there is love from their side in the situation, but again, this person is kind of in this energy of, I want a long-term partnership, commitment, something grounded, and I'm going to go for that. Let's see at this present moment where this connection is going, the mutual energy for the connection, where this connection is heading. We have the King of Cups, the Judgment, the Star card. Okay, yeah. So the universe is telling me that this connection has the potential. If you guys can let go of the things or people or situations or the past agony, past pain, past resentment and resentments and anger from the situation, this situation is still workable. This situation is still have the potential, is still having the potential of becoming something really beautiful. but there is a lot that needs to be resolved in order to get the situation back on track. You can't just, you just can't say, okay, I'm sorry, and let's get back together or something. No, there's love in the situation, there's still hope for the situation to work out. But again, both the energies have to come together and on the same page and heal the situation and put in the effort and energy equally in the situation. Then the situation can go further and work out. So if it is possible for you guys to make the situation work out and let go of the pain and agony and resentment and anger, then definitely the situation can go ahead. There's a potential. Otherwise, I think that the situation is going to remain stuck. So it's like two energies, both the energies have to work on the situation. It's not like only one person is going to put in the effort and energy and everything is going to be fine. It's not going to work like that. If both of you are ready to put in the effort and energy, if both of you are ready to make this work out, the situation has a great potential to work out. This is what I'm seeing right now, as of now, in this present moment. So to make it work out, talk to your partner, talk to your person. If they're ready to put in the effort and energy, this situation has a potential. Otherwise, I think this is going to be like, this is going down. This is not going to work out if you're not going to put in the effort and energy equally from both the sides. So this is the current energy check-in for your situation. Hope this helps. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.